It is so fresh, it's still alive. Is that so yummy? Happy good afternoon, everybody. I hope you guys are doing very well. I am feeling so much better, you guys. I was sick for about a week. I was in bed for about 3 days, like dead, like in bed, dead after I made that video. But I am feeling much better, and I just finished work and now I'm here at this local market because, y'all, my body is still trying to recover. I can't be bothered to cook, so I'm here to pick up some stuff for dinner. This is a great place to come and get some food. It is so inexpensive here because a lot of locals come here to get dinner, and let me just show you guys what they have to offer. By the way, this market is located in Xoxo 2, right across the street from Silk Road, well, like diagonally from Silk Road. I will link the location of this market if you guys want to come and check it out. But anyway, I'm gonna go and walk around to see what they have to offer today, and we're gonna see how much it will cost for our dinner. Anyway, let's go and check it out before the sun sets. Is pretty big. They have the fresh food section. I'm just gonna show you guys what they have here, but I'm not gonna buy anything from the fresh food section. Perhaps some fruit, but that's about it. But I'm gonna buy some like prepared stuff, which is on the other side. But let me show y'all around to see what they have to offer. Right over here they have like a little aunt and uncle store with all kinds of spices, sauce, sugar, milk, well, no, coconut milk, sorry, and all kinds of other stuff that you might need in your kitchen. And then they have some vegetables over there. Over here, she's selling some squid and also shrimps. 260 baht per kilo, and over here is 250 baht per kilo. They have a little stand where they sell meat over here. Some fresh fish. It is so fresh, it's still alive. That is how fresh the food is here in Thailand. Look at it, it's like still breathing. So they're selling 2 fish for only 100 baht. Over here, she has a little stall that sells pork. Some tunas, some shells. My son loves this, stir-fried with chili paste. Y'all, this is the exotic stand. They have worms. Oh my goodness, my phobia. They have some small shrimps over there, small fish, medium-sized fish, some eels. Would you guys like to try some eels? I don't think I've had eel before, but I don't think I want to try it either, so I don't know. How do you guys feel about eels? And over here, she has some frogs for sale. I eat frogs though, so that is something I would eat. Wow, the stand has some big fish over there. Y'all, like I said, food here in Thailand is so fresh, they're still alive. 320 baht per kilo for these crabs. He even has some live shrimps here for 300 baht per kilo. This market is pretty big. Okay, so more of the fresh food section. They have some chicken. This is like home-raised chicken. Gai ban. Some more shrimps. Some more fish. Here are some catfish. Oh, that guy really wants to escape. And over here in this stall, they have all kinds of fermented stuff. They have fermented cabbage, fermented bamboo, fermented fish. Some more fermented fish. This is called pala. The smell is a bit strong, but Thai people love pala. Over here is a little chicken stall. It's halal, as you can see. And then there are many stalls with fresh vegetables. Vegetable here is pretty inexpensive. As you can see, there are a lot of locals here. Most of the people just finished work, like me, and they're here to get some dinner. And here is the fruit stand where I normally buy my fruit. But now I'm trying to buy my fruit at this fruit market because it's cheaper. They have some strawberries here. This box of strawberries is only 100 baht. For all of my friends who like sweets, they have cakes here for sale for only 20 baht a box. That is like less than $1. Now we are in the section where they already prepared the food. They have some boiled chicken over here, some already made food over here, which I'm gonna get. ไม่ทราบว่าปลาขายไงคะปลาตัวละ100ค่ะเอาเผ็ดมากไหมคะเป็นชูชีค่ะไม่ค่อยเผ็ดมากค่ะเอาตัวหนึ่งค่ะได้ค่ะ They even have a little stand for some drinks over here, some coffee. And this is my favorite dessert stand, you guys. I always come get desserts here. My daughter loves bualoi. This is like a traditional Thai dessert. I get it without eggs because I feel like with eggs it's a little bit I don't know, it's a little bit weird, you know? Like it's supposed to be a dessert, but with a whole entire egg in there, it's just too weird for us. I'm gonna get this for my daughter. And what else? This is like one of my favorite. It's like a jelly type texture. On top is coconut milk. It is so delicious. She even has mango with sticky rice. อันนี้กล่องละเท่าไหร่คะ 50 baht per box. Not bad, you guys, not bad. 70 baht for 3 desserts. I'm getting more desserts, you guys. ขนมถ้วย This is so good. 30 baht per box. Y'all, more desserts here. These desserts look so good. 35 baht for one. Wow, now that looks amazing. Very nice. But I bought so much already. I'm gonna get some fruit from this lady as well. This is my usual fruit lady. 25 baht for 1 pack of pomelo. Very good. Sometimes I buy fried chicken from this lady as well. She makes really good fried chicken. This is one of my favorite stalls. สวัสดีค่ะ เอาเนื้อไก่สักเอา20 ไม้ค่ะได้ค่ะรอได้ไหมคะได้เดี๋ยวเดินมาเอานะ This place has the best barbecue chicken ever. 10 บาทค่ะ Here's this nice lady. She is the best. And so is her chicken. My family loves her chicken. So this market has 2 sections over here and also an outside area where they sell clothes, electronics, and other goodies. They also have food over here, but this is like the other section, you know? Whereas this part of the market is only food, basically. There was only one stall that had silver in there, but mainly just food. Look at all the bags that I got so far. One of the bad things about Thailand and shopping at the market is that they use so much plastic here, and it kills me. It really does kill me. However, I don't really see an alternative solution to the plastic problem. But yeah, I hate coming here because there are just like so many plastic bags.
ทำไงเธอถึงจะรักอ่ะหรือเรามันไม่น่ารักอ่ะแล้วฉันต้องทำยังไงอ่ะให้เธอนั้นมาสนใจอยากได้ก็คงต้องจีบอ่ะแต่สกิลเรานั้นไม่มีอ่ะแต่เธอนั้นก็คง
Over in this section they have bags for sale, belts for sale, wallets for sale. They even have shoes and sandal for sale over here. Very, very cheap. Only 100 baht for some sandals. There's also a stand for underwears and bras and whatnot. As you can see, very inexpensive. This area is still pretty new. It hasn't filled out yet, but I'm sure this is gonna fill out pretty soon. They even have rice for sale over here in case you guys don't want to make your own rice, or if you don't have time to make rice, you can just come here and buy it.
ทำไงเธอถึงจะรักอ่ะหรือเรามันไม่น่ารักอ่ะแล้วฉันต้องทำยังไงอ่ะให้เธอนั้นมาสนใจอยากได้ก็คงต้องจีบอ่ะแต่สกิลเรานั้นไม่มีอ่ะแต่เธอนั้นก็คง
This is cute. Only 100 baht. That's cheap. I like this color. Very cute. This market sells basically everything, you guys. They even have masks for sale. I really love being back in Thailand because there's food everywhere. I don't have to cook every single day. When I was living in France, I had to cook like nearly every day because eating out is so expensive. But here in Thailand, eating out is not expensive. Most people don't even cook anymore because it's so inexpensive to just buy. สวัสดีค่ะ วันนี้มีกาแฟไหมจ๊ะ ชา เอาชาไข่มุกแก้วหนึ่งค่ะ แก้วเล็กค่ะ I'm gonna get some refreshments, some bubble Thai tea. Delicious. Guess how much? Guess how much? Only 10 baht for a glass. 10 baht, y'all. 10 baht. Very good. They even have a little area where you can sit and eat over here, which is very, very nice. They even have donuts for sale, more desserts, 100 baht for some grilled fish. I'm gonna get some sushis for the family. If you buy 10, you get one free. And no, my family and I have never gotten sick from sushis from the market. Only 50 baht for 11 sushis, you guys. 50 baht. Less than $2. Khop kun ka. Oh, ขอบคุณมากค่ะ ขอบคุณมากค่ะแม่ค้า 220 baht. Anyway, you guys, I think I got enough for tonight's dinner. I already put some in my bike, but this is what I have. Like I said, there's just so much plastic going on right now. Anyway, I'm gonna go home and show you all what I got and tell you guys exactly how much I paid for everything.
20 minutes later.
I am home. Camila started eating the sushi already, you guys. Can you believe it? All of this was only for 50 baht. And here are the desserts that I got. Khanom Mo Keng. I have no clue what this is in English. I'm sorry, you guys. And this was like the jello that I was talking about. This is so delicious. The green part is made with pandan leaf, I believe, and on top is made with coconut milk. And here is my, well, one of my daughter's favorite Thai dessert, Baw Loi. Is that so yummy, baby? Oh, so delicious. Yeah. Is it crazy hair day today? Yeah. Because your hair is so crazy. I also got some sticky rice for the fam. And here is all the chicken skewers that I got. I bought 22. Hopefully that's enough for everybody. I also got this fish with chili sauce on top of it with some kaffir lime leaves. I paid 100 baht for this. I got 3 packs of pomelo. These are so delicious, you guys. Only 25 baht per pack. And last but not least, Khanom Toy. 30 baht for this box. Unfortunately, it's a little bit messed up because it was underneath my motorbike seat. Hannah, is that so yummy? Yeah, so delicious. What are you eating? Chicken? Is it chicken? And also, if you guys love Thai food, please let me know what Thai food you love in the comments below. I'd love to hear all about it. If you guys are on a budget, I highly recommend you guys eat local food because it's a lot cheaper than foreign food here. Plus, it's so fresh and it's so delicious. If you guys can handle spice, you have many choices. However, if you guys can't handle spice, there aren't as many choices because Thai people, we just love spicy food. Anyway, guys, this is gonna be all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to smash that like button because it really does help out my YouTube channel. And if you guys are new, please consider subscribing for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you all soon. Hannah, say bye-bye to our friends. Bye-bye.